Hi everyone, this is Databloosom Group. I'm In. I'm going to talk about what we are going to do in the project and what we have done for now. Our group is going to use the Epson Product Review data to do a natural language processing, and we decide to use the electronic category. Here's our background. There are two ways to commend the goodness of a product on Amazon: rating the product from 1 to 5 stars or providing a text summary of reviewers' experience or opinions. And these provide important information to consumers when they are shopping on Amazon. Sometimes it may not be reliable to judge a product merely based on its rating number, so we hope to build a model to rate a product based on text review. Our goal is to perform natural language processing to assess whether a user's plain text review aligns with their rating. And here's the tools we plan to use. We would use machine learning algorithms with Spark ML, and we will store it in S3 and query it using Spark Circle. And we would also use NLTK package in Python. And the very first step of our project is to prepare the data. We found the data is massively skewed towards 5-star reviews. We all know that skewed data can cause the decision boundary weights to be biased, and this will cause the classifier to unwittingly prefer one class over the other. So we extract the same number of reviews from each 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 category to train a generic model and ensure they are actually reviews for the model to learn from. And then we separate training and test data into two different datasets so that when we test the model, it can in no way be influenced by the training data. After we finished with data preparing, we plan to use a pipeline in Spark to do the analysis. What's a pipeline? Basically, it is a series of steps that can apply to a dataset in series, which will transform the data. As you can see, the first green box represents the dataset as it is the input to the model. For the training stage of the model building, we will pass the input dataset as training data, and when testing the model, the dataset would be test data. And then each of the yellow boxes represents a transform stage, which will take an input column from the training dataset, perform some work, and write out to an additional column in the dataset. A transformer will only operate on the current record. So we first split full text into array of words. Then we will remove some low information words such as and the, and then we will do some stemming, which will group the words with the same meaning. Thus would increase the frequency of that word occurring, and hopefully it is information value. And the next time we would like to do is to calculate some n-grams. Then we would apply term frequency hashing to the separate words data and n-grams data, and then assemble them together so that it can be processed as the input for classification we are going to run. And the classifier we would like to use are naive Bayes and support vector machine. After that, we would use cross-validation to evaluate the model. Thanks for watching.